All right, so today I'm going to go ahead and give you guys like a pop little quiz to see what you know, what you've retained already that we've talked about Romeo and Juliet. So follow along, see what you can answer already, what you already know, what you still need to pay attention to in class. And I really, really need you guys to focus in class because we're going to move through this fast. And whether you're ready or not, the argument paper is going to be written on exam day. So you need to have an outline ready when you come in on exam day of what you're going to write about. You need to have some quotes ready to go. And so I'm going to teach the argument paper. I think on Friday I'm going to start giving you guys ideas, maybe Monday. But you'll have 1 week. You'll have a week to get that argument outline ready to go so you can write your paper. But you got to pay attention in class. So here we go. Let's see what you already know about Romeo and Juliet. First question, what family did Romeo belong to? The Montagues. What family did Juliet belong to? The Capulets. Who was the peacemaker cousin of Romeo? Was it Benvolio or Tybalt? And by the way, you can always pause this if you need to think longer than what I'm giving you. So was it Benvolio who was the peacemaker cousin of Romeo, or was it Tybalt? And it was not Tybalt. That is a wrong answer. That is a wrong answer. I'm going to change it on my PowerPoint. It's Benvolio. All right? So if you said Benvolio, you are right. And after I film this or videotape it and put it out there for you, I'm going to go in and change my PowerPoint to say Benvolio. When you bite your thumb at someone, are you insulting them or showing them your fear? Remember, you saw this at the very beginning of the play when the servants for the two families are meeting in the street. You're insulting them. How old was Juliet when she met Romeo? 13. Who did Juliet's parents want her to marry? It was a rich man named Paris. He was also related to the prince somehow. Next question. Who was Romeo in love with at the opening of the play? Was it Juliet or was it a girl named Rosalind? Before he ever met Juliet, he was madly, supposedly in love with Rosalind, or Rosaline is how it's said sometimes too. What did Benvolio mean when he told Lord and Lady Montague that he would go counsel Romeo on love? What did he mean when he said he would go counsel Romeo on love? In other words, what does the word counsel mean? It means he'd give Romeo advice on love. Who was the Prince of Cats, the sword-wielding, hot-head cousin of Juliet? That's Tybalt. Where does Romeo and Juliet take place, the actual play? Where does it take place? What city? Verona. That's in Italy. Who delivers the prologue to the audience at the beginning of the play? Which character delivers the prologue to the audience? If you said the chorus, you are right. Who stops the fighting in the streets between the Capulets and the Montagues? At the beginning of the play, when we see them fighting in the streets, who gets them all to stop? It is the prince. And who basically raised Juliet? Well, it wasn't her mother. It was the babbling nurse. So there's a little bit of a quiz. I am going to go right now and fix that one answer that is incorrect. Was it on the first slide? Yep. So it's now going to be the right answer. And it's going to say Benvolio. He was the peacemaking cousin of Romeo and Juliet. So I hope this helped you a little bit. And we'll do some more Romeo and Juliet tomorrow.